So now let's see how we can work around with fade options inside of video editing mode inside of Blender. So to do that, you can see that I'm in video editing mode in Blender. And to work around with fade in and fade out, I'm going to drag in this video on my timeline. So once I do that, you can see that I have this. I'm just going to delete off the audio layer right here. And I just want to work with a small clip. So let me just click here and then split it out right here and delete off the other portion. So I just have this clip. So if I were to play this video by pressing spacebar, you can see that the video promptly appears and promptly disappears. But in my case, I want fade in and fade out. So if I were to right click on the clip right here, go around into, let's say, just go around, click on the clip, right click, and you have the fade option as you can see. So if I were to go around into fade in right here, then it goes into fade in option as you can see right here. And you can add in the fade out by clicking on fade out. And you have the fade out as well. You want to add both at once, then you can clear out the fade right here, and then you can go around and add in both fade in and fade out at the same time as well. And then this is what you have. You got the fade in and the fade out effect inside of video inside of Blender. So that is how you can add in the fade in and fade out option inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.